Vertical Doors' most popular kits are always in stock and ready to ship.
Alright guys, we got another one in the shop here for ya. Anyways, we didn't do the install on this one. Another shop did it, and I just want to show you guys something, alright? Check this out, okay? I don't know what it is with you guys when you put these kits on and you don't adjust them, but there's two adjustment screws on these kits for a reason. And that very reason is that when this door is up right here, you see this nub here? It's supposed to just touch. This isn't supposed to be able to open. The screw in the back here, you tighten it, and then this stays closed here. And then it doesn't do this. No more of this. And if you're not sure, call us and we'll tell you what you're doing wrong. The wire is actually on the wrong side. The wire is supposed to go this way. All right, show me what's the difference. Look at that, it's rusty. It's dry, no grease. Look at the shock's installed improperly. The shock end's actually in the wrong place and the grease fitting's not installed. And then down here it's no pin. No pin. And then there's probably no Loctite either. Dry, rusty. No lube. Gotta have lube, people. Don't forget your spacers and your marks.
And you mark here.
And your tape. Lots of good tape. Look at that. 5 pieces. 5 pieces. Nice and tight all the way down. Wrapped around the front edge of the door. And you have your marks here, right there, and there. For your sticks. Where's your stick? Your stick. See the stick? Right there. And when you get your stick, what side?
One is in the top and 2 in the bottom.
Oh, you already finished. So you put number 1 up here, so you got your mark. You got your other mark. So see, look, right now, it's not lined up right. And that's why you have to use these sticks. Because you can't just bolt it on. You have to slide that out and make sure it lines up right there. And same thing down here. There's 2. 2 goes right there, and then boom, you gotta make sure it lines up on your mark. Show me.
You put it right in the door here. See, that would not go down. Maybe the guy has go down in the door.
He did. Look at that. Look at how big the gap's in the bottom. I bet you he didn't even realize that the gap should be that big. He should have, though. Alright. So you want to take your grease, and the easiest way to do is with these acid brushes. You can get them on Amazon. Cheap. You want to brush your shoulder of your bolt and the back of your shock end and in the bore. Make sure it's moving nice and smooth. And you can apply your Loctite. Boom, ample amounts of Loctite. You do not want this bolt coming out. Absolutely do not want it coming out. Well, then you put the shotgun in. And then if you're strong like this guy, you just lift the door up. Boom. Line it up. Boom. And it goes. Torque to spec. And there you go. And now your operation is already like 300 times better than it was. Now you see your grease rating. It's right here. You can come in with the grease gun. Boom. You don't have to take the fender off.
Grease. Put it grease both sides.
See that? Grease. Grease. And grease. Boom.
Make it grease all over.
Make it nice.
This guy don't put it grease.
Even if it's brand new, still a good idea to hit it with grease. Alright, so we're going to show you this side. Now, this side's done. This side's perfect. So if you look, check your gap right here. Gap's the same all the way down. You go across the bottom, right? You come up the back, you got a consistent gap all the way up. Doors line up together, right there. And then you come down here. Perfect. And when you open it, there you go. Open it. And then raise it up.
Show you this side. Not cut it.
You see that? Don't cut this off. You want to use this and you want to leave this and you want to flip this stud around. That way it faces this way and you can put the nut back on it. And then you want your wires to come out nice and clean. Put your plate on, slide your grommet up into the top part of the slot and then into the bottom part. Here, the plate goes into the groove of the grommet. See that? A little bit of touch-up paint right there along that edge. Your wire goes from the inside up and over to the outside, and then there's your hole. You can see your connectors right there, and it just hangs out. You just want to double tape it here so it doesn't rub right here. Comes down. Little grease right here to make this slide up and down nicely. And a little grease down here. Close the door. This is how you know you did it right. See that?
Like, share, subscribe, and tag. Hundreds of models available. For sales and installation, please contact Vertical Doors Incorporated.